If you're brand new to Canva and you're not sure where to start, let me show you how to create your first design. The first thing you'll want to do is click Create at the top left-hand corner of the screen. From here, you can search for the type of design you want to create. For example, if I want to create an invitation, it's automatically going to show me the different size invitations that I can create, such as a 5x7 or a 4x6 in landscape mode or portrait mode. But if you already know the dimensions that you'd like to use for your design, you're going to scroll down and click Custom Size. And for example, if I wanted to create an 8.5 by 11 document, I would just go ahead and enter that and make sure that the units are set to inches. And then I would go ahead and click Create New Design towards the right hand side of the screen. Now we have our blank canvas, and this is where a lot of beginners get stuck because they don't know what to put on this blank page. You don't have to start completely from scratch. You can browse Canva templates by clicking templates, or either it should automatically show up on the left hand side of your screen. And as you click the templates, they're automatically going to show up on the right hand side of your canvas. And you can choose templates according to the type of design that you are trying to create. You can customize the template by changing the text, or you can change the fonts. You can also change the colors by clicking the A at the top of the screen, and then you can click Add a Color right here, and then you can scroll and find some colors here, or you can type in any colors that you like, and Canva will give you some color palettes to choose from. And if you do want to start from a blank canvas, that's okay too. I actually teach my students my recreate method, where instead of staring at a blank page wondering what to do, I show them how to break down any design into simple steps, starting with the background, the text, the elements, the effects, and final adjustments. So if you're ready to go beyond Canva Basics and learn how to create and sell digital products, that's exactly what I teach inside my Clueless to Creative course. I'm going to leave the link to that course down below in the description box. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.